Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about light. Now let's start. How long does it take to get to? Trips are one of the popular human dreams. Imagine that human technology will allow us to travel at the speed of light 186,282 miles per second. How far can we go and how fast? So, do you want to know it? So, sit down and listen. So, we start. How long does it take to travel outside with the speed of light? Suppose that human technology will allow us to go in the speed of light. How long does it take to go to the different parts of the known space? And what to do at that time? Moon, 238,900 miles, 1.28 seconds. Well, you'll not have another time to do anything. Just blink and you're on moon. Venus. Next one, 27,900,000 miles, 2.5 minutes. And the kettle in your tea will not even boil. Mars. Next upcoming, 46,500,000 miles, 4.16 minutes. Now you can have time to make tea, but not to drink it. Mercury, 56,200,000 miles, 5.03 minutes. This time is enough to read a sheet of magazine too. The Sun, 92,960,000 miles, 8.31 minutes. Drink tea, you can read your magazines. What else? Jupiter, 390,600,000 miles, 34.95 minutes. It's good time for house, friends and series, watching movies, enough time for that. Saturn, 790,500,000 miles, 70.73 minutes. Sleep, you have to relax right now. Uranus, 1,692,600,000 miles. As you can see here, it's gonna be 4.52 hours. Well, you can see movies like Titanic, one part, Lord of the Rings, The Hobbits, or the Star Wars. All these kind of movies are possible at this time. Neptune, 2,697,000,000 miles, 4.02 hours. Well, it's a good time for you to, make paintings, write novels, or doing something else. Pluto, 3,534,000,000 miles, 5.27 hours. So at this time you can eat, have drink, and sleep. But then when will you have time for rest again? Proxima Centauri, 24,940,000,000,000 miles, 4.25 years. Well, you have a lot to do, a lot of things in this time. You can read, you can play, you can marry, you can have birth of children, and worry about nothing because this is such a long time. The Andromeda Galaxy, 1.492 into 10 to the power 19 miles. Well, it's equal to 6.095 into 10 to the power 7 years. Maybe at the same time of the extinction of dinosaurs. I'm getting tired right now so much. Okay, but anyway, the end of the known universe, the observable one. So 2.7 into 10 to the power of 23 miles. 11.3 into 10 to the power of 11 years. Well, it's more than the galaxy itself exists, our Milky Way. Well, now we'll come to common speeds, which we're having with a rocket, but it's very limited when it comes into transit time. So how long does it take? So you can use antimatter fusion or laser technology to go all these distances, but let us see, it's gonna take really long time if we use our present technologies to go outside of space. Well, if you use our current technology, how long does it take to reach our destination? Let's see, Mercury, 6.5 years. Messenger. Well, astronauts, they are done their first trial on Mercury while going, and it took around 147 days to approach it. But if you want to actually go there, you have to travel into its orbital speed, which will take some serious time. Okay, Venus. Well, it's about 15 months. Even though Venus is the closest neighbor to Earth, it is still about a big distance of 25 million miles. And that distance can extend the longest up to 162 million miles. Well, nobody wants to go there because, as you all know, it's super gross. Well, now Moon, 3 days. Apollo 11. Well, astronauts have gone to Moon by the Saturn V rocket, but we know that Moon, it takes 3 days, but we know that technically it is not a planet. Yes, right. So, Mars. Well, it will take about 7 months if you want to. If you go for opportunity.